Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. If we want to find this one, we need to do first derivative of this one. So that should be like this. So first derivative of 3 minus s. So this one we have number 0. This one we have number 1. So we have the negative sign in here. Now on the question, show that this one equal to number 0 has at least one real solution. So if we put this one equals to number 0, that means this one equals to number 0 because we have this one equals to this one. Now I will put this one go to the right. In this situation, s equals to 3 minus s. We put this one go to the left. And we have 2s equals to number 3. And now we divide both sides by number 2. And we see that we have one solution. So that means this one has at least one solution in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.